today's world, we all are using harsh and expensive chemicals on our skin without knowing its effects or side effects and end up getting even worse skin. That is why I'm going to give you Ayurvedic skincare routine which will have no side effects and which will be gentle for your skin. It will at the end give you radiant skin without any side effects. Do you know in past our Indian princesses or queens were using this authentic Ayurveda and looking flawless even without the makeup? But before using anything, you have to know your skin type. Otherwise, you will end up having side effects. Now you will say that doctor, you have just said that using authentic Ayurveda does not have any side effects. And now you are saying that it does have side effects. No, it does not. But using anything in this world in an improper amount, in an improper way, will have its consequences. But I am here to take care of that. Take care of that you will not have any side effects, just good effects. So before starting this video, let's understand your skin type according to Ayurveda. Basically, in Ayurveda, there are mainly three types: Vata, Pitta and Kapha. Now, before coming up to the video, I would like you to know some general idea about this skin type in a minute. Vata skin type is dry, uneven toned, prone to fine lines and wrinkles. It's likely to have a thin texture with fine pores. This skin type is likely to show early signs of aging, as their skin tends to get dry, dehydrated, and flaky when their dosha is imbalanced. Pitta skin type is extremely prone to getting tanned, as it's sensitive, soft, warm, and of a medium thickness. Their body type is less tolerant to hot and spicy foods. When out of balance, this skin type can flare up with a sunburn, acne, and sunspots. Kapha skin type is oily, dull, thick, and has tendency to enlarged pores and is proneness to cystic acne. Since their skin is oily, it attracts more impurity from the environment. People with this type of skin should deeply cleanse their face at least 2 times a day. Just know that you can also have mixed skin type, which will be like Vata Pitta, Pitta Kapha, or Kapha Vata. It will have mixed symptoms of all the skin types. Means if you have Vata Pitta, it will have symptoms of a Vata along with Pitta. Now you can comment down in a section what skin type do you have. Okay, let's start our video. First step of Ayurvedic skincare routine is cleansing. Start by cleansing your face with a gentle natural cleanser. Look for the ingredients like neem, tulsi or sandalwood, which have antibacterial or soothing properties. You can use this ingredient with rosewater or just normal application of its powder with a simple water wash is also enough. Don't complicate it by adding numerous ingredients. All skin type can do these first 3 steps which I am going to describe in a detail. After cleansing, second step is exfoliation. Use a gentle exfoliator once or twice a week to remove dead skin cells. Choose for natural ingredients such as oatmeal, almond powder, chickpea flour mixed with rose water or milk. Step 3 is toning. After cleansing and exfoliating, use a toner to balance the pH of your skin. Rose water and aloe vera are great natural options for that. Step 4 is facial massage. Perform a facial massage using a nourishing oil suitable for your skin type. For Vata skin, use sesame oil or almond oil. For Pitta skin, benefits from coconut oil or sunflower oil, while Kapha skin can get benefit from lighter oils like jojoba oil or grapeseed oil. Step 5 is a face mask. Apply a natural face mask once a week to nourish and rejuvenate your skin. Clay masks such as bentonite or multani mitti are good for oily skin, means Kapha skin type, while honey or yogurt are suitable for dry skin, means Vata skin type. Step 6 is moisturization. After cleansing, toning and using a face mask, moisturize your skin with a natural moisturizer or a facial oil. Choose ingredients like rosehip seed oil, argan oil or almond oil for hydration. If my video helped you in any way or you have found anything new, please subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up And if you have any queries, just comment down in a section. I'll be happy to address that.